Hello everyone, welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar. Today we're diving into a zodiac sign known for its passion, drive and leadership qualities. Yes, I'm talking about Aries. Aries are those who are always ready to take the first step and embrace challenges with enthusiasm and confidence. Aries individuals are bold, energetic and fiercely determined. They tackle life's obstacles with courage and intensity, always striving to move forward and conquer whatever comes their way. So let's explore the unique qualities of Aries, their love life, career options, and everything you need to know about yourself or the Aries in your life. This video is for you if you want to understand more about your zodiac sign or better connect with an Aries friend or family member. Let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about their nature. They are transformative, positive, and fiery means someone who speaks assertively. They are quick-witted and agile and live life with courage and active determination. Let's talk about their principles. A visible, assertive demeanor, desiring activities that involve action and strength. This sign resembles the horns of a ram, symbolizing a warrior-like aggressive leader. They are always ready to accept challenges related to their courage and bravery. Aries individuals share these traits. Let's talk about their characteristics. These people are restless, excitable, impulsive, and often anxious about themselves. They always seek immediate results, leaving an impression of haste and speed. They possess a pioneering and leading spirit, naturally brave, fearless, and bold. They prefer to be the first in everything rather than being individualistic. They are straightforward and honest, lovers of freedom, and deeply cherish their independence. Mentally, although they are not deeply contemplative or philosophical, they are quick thinkers and sharp-witted. They plan their actions from start to finish, considering potential obstacles. They thoroughly assess both the profit and loss. In love, they are emotional, not particularly opportunistic or observant, and have strong physical desires. If we talk about their weaknesses and mistakes, they are self-centered, impatient, argumentative, quick to anger, foolishly brave, combative, aggressive, insensitive to others' feelings, boastful, blunt, arrogant, threatening, troublemaking, overly restless and anxious, carefree, and inconsiderate. They can also appear excessively flattering. If we talk about their profession and their work, they are suited to being leaders or officers in professions that require pioneering or leadership qualities, or work that involves physical labor. They excel in careers that demand challenges and a struggle to advance. Professions requiring calmness, patience, and cooperation are not suitable for Aries individuals. They should be associated with fields like politics, the military, surgery, engineering, mechanics, professional sports, dentistry, or research institutions which involve hard work and courageous endeavors. Psychologically, their fundamental desire is to be agile, active, physical, sexual, combative, and inclined towards conflict. Physically, there is an indication of a strong desire to push forward with the head and initiate things. Subconsciously, the head is connected to the kidneys through the scale, Libra. They are prone to severe headaches, nervous pains, head strokes, or sunstroke, inflammation, warmth, and head injuries. Due to their excitable nature, they are at risk of bleeding and accidents. That's all about Aries, bold, courageous, and always ready to take on the world. If you are an Aries, embrace your fiery spirit and keep leading the way with confidence and determination. Remember, the stars are always there to guide you on your journey. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sitaro Ka Safar. For more astrological insights, leave a comment below about what resonated with you or if there's something specific you'd like to learn about. Thank you for watching, and until next time, may the stars be in your favor.